Hi guys, so today we have a fast lane remote control Suzuki ATV. Check it out. It's a red ATV with a man on it saying Suzuki is ready to ride. So it's got full function, impact resistant bumper and off-road tires, 37 meters range, and it takes 7 AA batteries. So let's go ahead and unbox. Instruction manual. So there we have Suzuki ATV. It's quite a big RC. It's about 30 centimeters by 25 to 30 centimeters. There's the remote control. There's the back. So now let's get the ATV out, guys. This is what it looks like. Check it out. Such a cool looking toy. Very detailed. Just like the real thing. So we need to open this, put 5 batteries in there and 2 batteries in the remote control. There's the switch, the on-off switch, and the wheel alignment. Okay, so we've got the antenna over here. I think there should be a tube to put the antenna in. First of all, let's take this off. So it comes with 2 tubes for the antenna. I think they've given one as a spare. Just put the antenna through the tube and just put it in there. That's it. So I think it's ready for the batteries. There we are. Put the compartment battery back on. Put a battery in there. There we are. And now it's ready to play. Let's check it out. Put the switch on. Whoa, check it out, guys. That's right, that's left. Ooh, it's quite fast actually. So let's check it out, guys. Have some fun. Not bad speed. Let's do a little circle with it. Let's see what its turning point is like. It's not a bad little ATV. Hi Amani!
Today we got that!
Are you playing with the Suzuki ATV?
Yeah!
Wow! Vroom vroom! You like it?
Yeah! Now
What color is it?
red!
Is it red?
Yeah.
Wow, check it out, guys. It's so cool. Do you want to show how you play with it? Do you want to press left and right on the remote control? Oh, who's that? That's Spiderman.
Yeah.
Does he want to go for a drive?
Yeah.
Okay. That looks so cool. Amani's Spider-Man is going for a ride on the Suzuki ATV. Yeah.
Moving Spider-Man.
Spidey, what are you up to, Spidey? Are you going for a ride? Yes, I am. I'm going for a cruise. Wow, check it out, guys. Amani wants to take Spidey for a ride.
So we do it outside now.
Do you want to first show how you play with it? Whoa, that looks cool. Oh, slowly, reverse, reverse. Press the down button. Yeah. Ah, don't crash. Whoa. Oh. Let's turn him. Ow. That's powerful. It's a powerful RC. Oh no. What happened?
Spider-Man has
Oh no. Spider-Man has had an accident.
slowly. Slowly.
Whew. Reverse, reverse.
Come on, let's be best.
Brum brum. Oh, are you reversing? Go forward. Yay. Oh, reverse, reverse. Ah, oh no, Spidey nearly fell over again. Wow. Spider-Man, would you like to go outside, Spidey?
Yeah.
And have some fun?
Okay, come on then.
Come on. Honey,
Yeah.
have you come outside with your Suzuki ATV?
Yeah.
Let's play with it. Whoa, reverse, reverse. Oh, oh no. What's happened? Oh, there it is. Ah. Okay. Brum brum.
Can I do it on the spin?
Reverse it.
No, I don't. I want to do
Turn it around in a
I
circle.
want to do it on the wood.
Yeah, see, it's going in a circle, Amani. Oh, move back. Yay. Ah! Oh no, Spidey's fallen. Amani, your Spidey's fallen.
Oh no. Here, go. Now, we turn a circle.
Reverse, reverse, reverse.
Can I do a circle?
Yeah.
Oh no. It's gonna be bad. So anyway. No, turn this way. Now, chase me.
Ah! Wow, it's going in a big circle. Oh, Spidey's fallen. Get him back on the quad. Come on, your Spidey's fallen over.
Okay, I will get it.
Hey, Spidey, are you okay?
Yeah,
Oh no, have you fallen down? Let's get him on the quad. Amani, get your Spidey on the quad.
There.
Like that.
Now, let's
Now.
turn a circle.
Go! Stop! Oh, it's crashed into the car.
I want to do a circle.
Big circle. Press both buttons together. That's reverse. Press forward.
I did it now. You stand there. Wait, yeah. Stand here. Yeah, and I'm.
Where shall I stand? Ah! Oh! Amani, your Spidey sat down. He just wants to have a seat and watch. Okay? Now, ride the ATV. Control it. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh! Wheel spin, guys! Wheel spin. Look at that. Whoa! Are you doing a big circle? Reverse, reverse. It's gonna fall. Oh no! Spidey's just bumped into the car. Is he okay? Oh no! What's happened? Honey, let's tie the Spidey on the quad.
I don't want to try some.
But he keeps falling over. Check it out, Spider-Man's going for a cruise. I think it'll be nice and tight now. It won't be falling over now, Spidey. Yeah, that's good enough. Amani, look! We've tied the Spidey together. He's not going to fall over now. Whoa, look at that.
Can we sit here then watch me?
Yeah, let's...
Okay.
Ah, Amani, reverse. Stop. Whoa, vroom. Let him do a big circle.
Okay then.
Ah! You're going straight into the bushes?
I know what's to do a big circle. Now watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Ah! Crush! Reverse. Money, Spidey's gonna chase you again. Ready? Ah, run. Oh no. There's Spidey over here. How's it going? Whoa! Check that out. Amani's got stuck. Brum. Hey, Amani, he's chasing it. Come on, faster. Whoa! Whoa, do you keep changing direction? Whoa! Go on, Amani. Run. The Spider-Man will chase you. Ah! Don't block him. Run. Oh!
It don't work. please.